Can a lawyer with only 5 medical malpractice trials under his belt achieve a $1 million verdict? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. It's a beautiful day today here in Great Neck, and I wanted to get out this great information for you. The answer is yes, of course he can achieve a $1 million verdict. But there are a couple of caveats there. A couple of things you need to watch out for. When you go to an attorney, you want somebody who's got experience, right? Now, if the attorney says, listen, I've got 5 trials under my belt, well, okay, that's fine, but have you tried a case just like mine? Well, maybe yes, maybe no. Now, when you're comparing which attorney to go to, if you find that there's another attorney who's got 50 jury trials under his belt, which one would you want? If that attorney who has 50 jury trials under his belt has tried cases identical to yours, which one would you want? Would you want the attorney who's tried cases just like yours, or would you want the novice attorney who's just learning, who's just notching those belts, who's just getting the experience to handle your particular type of matter? The reality is that not every attorney is right for you in your case. Not every case is right for each and every attorney. So you turn it around and you say, hey, wait a second. Is this lawyer right for your case? And some people turn around and say, hey, are you the right client for me? And that's a very interesting point. When you're searching for an attorney, you think, okay, there are thousands of lawyers in New York. How do I pick which one? And then when I do narrow it down, now it's my choice. You, the client, it's your choice to pick which one. But you should know that there's some really excellent trial lawyers in New York who turn around and say, wait a second. It doesn't matter what kind of case you have. It doesn't matter how good a case you have. It doesn't matter how valuable your case is. You want to know why? It's because the attorney chooses you. And if you are not the right fit for him, that's it. He's not going to select you. If the attorney knows at the very beginning that there's some friction between you and him, guess what? In all likelihood, he's not going to pick you. He's not going to allow you the opportunity to hire him. And you may be saying, how's that possible? I thought just because I want to hire the attorney, that means I can go ahead and hire him. No, no, no. You will find that the best trial lawyers are extremely picky about which cases they accept. And when I say cases, I don't just mean the fact pattern. I don't just mean the damages. I mean you, what kind of personality you have. If you are obnoxious, if you are abrasive, if you are abusive to the staff, most attorneys are not going to want to work with you no matter what type of case you have. And then on the other hand, you have other lawyers who are desperate to try and get cases, and they say, I don't care what kind of client you are. It doesn't matter. I want you because you have a great case. Very important distinction. Does it really matter? Can they still get you a $1 million verdict? Well, here's the reality in case you don't already know. No lawyer anywhere can ever guarantee you a result. And if an attorney does try and guarantee you a result in the very beginning while you are selecting an attorney or helping the attorney select you, guess what? I would recommend you run far, far and fast. You know why? Because nobody can ever guarantee you a result. An attorney can guarantee you some other things. They can guarantee how you're going to be treated when you come into the office. An attorney can guarantee how you're going to be made to feel when you pick up the phone to call. An attorney can guarantee how he's going to communicate with you each and every day or each and every month about your particular matter. An attorney can guarantee what type of material he's going to provide to you, to educate you, to teach you, to show you how these types of cases work. So those types of guarantees about the legal process, sure, attorneys can do that. Most of those lawyers don't provide you with those types of guarantees. Most of them don't provide you with materials to help you understand, whether it's books, pamphlets, videos. They don't give you all the detailed information necessary to help you make an educated decision about what to do next. And that's important as you're deciding which lawyer is right for you. So let's get back to the original title in this video. Can an attorney with only 5 jury trials to his name get you a $1 million verdict? The answer is yes, it's possible. Anything is possible. You can have an attorney with 50 jury trials under his belt could get you a $1 million verdict. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside look at what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in New York. You know, I recognize and I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions about your matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.